Let's take a look at this expandable tray. This is by Nakoda Plastic. These are expandable trays. This one is specially for the fridge. You can hook it to the glass tray in the fridge using this. You can customize the size. Comes in 4 colors. Costs around 120 rupees or $2 or so. Because it has holes in it, you can wash the vegetables in it and store it. This is how the expanding works. That's pretty decent sized. That's the smallest. That's the maximum. Such a nice idea for extra shelves inside the fridge. I think they should make these as containers too. Those could be quite useful too. Quite a clever idea, quite nice. Check it out.